In this presentation, we will learn about coronary heart disease (CHD). CHD or coronary heart disease is a heart condition in which the coronary arteries are not functioning properly. There are a number of heart diseases that comes under the category of CHD, like angina pectoris, which is a powerful pain in the chest that sometimes radiates from left arm. It basically happens when coronary arteries are restricted to such an extent that there is starvation of oxygen in the heart muscle. Acute myocardial infarction or MI, and sometimes called heart attack, is another CHD. In this, the heart tissues are also destroyed and there is restricted blood flow to the heart. Sudden heart attack happens to people when they suffered from MIs. Cardiac arrhythmia is the condition in which the heart rate or the heartbeat is abnormal. Rheumatic heart disease happens to people who had suffered from rheumatic fever. Ischemic heart disease is another condition in which there is blockage and restricted flow. There are n number of reasons or causes of CHD. Some are non-modifiable, which are not under our control, which includes status, social mobility, social class, age, gender, stress reactivity, family history and ethnicity, while some are modifiable and can be controlled or modified if the person willing. For example, smoking behavior, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, perceived work stress, and personality. Cardiac invalidism is also another reason of CHD, which means the inadequate nurturing or social support, which might later result in MIs or heart attacks. It is quite predominant. It is responsible for 33% of deaths in men. The death rate is 5 times higher for men than women. Women show poor recovery from MI than men. 1 out of 4 babies with heart diseases have CHD. 3.8 million men reported heart diseases, while 3.4 million women reported the heart diseases. What is the role of psychology in CHD? Number 1 is beliefs. In 2002, French et al. Explored how general public understand MI and differentiated between beliefs about proximal causes that directed towards MI and distal causes that are mediated by other factors. The result shows that even though the respondents did not have CHD, they still had quite complex beliefs about its causes. The type of work was seen as a distal cause of MI, which operated through stress and high blood pressure. Behavior and genes were seen to have direct effect on CHD. What is the psychological impact of CHD? In order to prove the psychological impact of CHD, Lane et al. In 2002 found out from his studies that during hospitalization, 30.9% of patients reported elevated depression scores, while 26.1% reported elevated anxiety scores. Also, there was another study by Johnson et al. In 1999. He evaluated the impact of counselor-led cardiac counseling compared to normal care, and he found out with his colleagues that who did not receive counseling showed an increase in depression and anxiety. How does predicting and changing of behavior risk factors of CHD helps? Like for example, smoking. 1 in 4 deaths are due to smoking in CHD. The risk factor of CHD is diet. 20% of population with high cholesterol level are 3 times more likely to die due to CHD. High blood pressure is another reason of CHD for many people. Rosenman et al. In 1975 and Jenkins et al. In 1979 found out that type A behavior and hostility also leads to CHD. In present scenario, stress has become another big risk factor of CHD and other physiological and psychological disorders. Psychology plays an important role in the rehabilitation of patients. Rehabilitation programs are used in which the range of techniques are health education, relaxation training, and counseling, which are used in modifying the behavior of the patients. It includes modifying exercise, like programs emphasizes the restoration of physical functioning through exercise with assumption that physical will in turn promote psychological and social recovery. There is modifying type A behavior, in which the study was given by Friedman et al. In 1986. He included 1,000 subjects and he did a 5-year intervention. He contributed a great deal by letting us know how modifying type A behavior could prevent the causes and symptoms of CHD. In a study with his colleagues, he distributed 3 groups. One was cardiology counseling, the other was type A behavior modification, and the third group was given no treatment. In the type A behavior modification group, he included discussions of the beliefs and values of type A, methods of reducing work demands and relaxation techniques, education about changing the cognitive framework of the individual. This intervention program, he found out positive results and provided direction for the people to explore more in this area. Rehabilitation also include modifying the general lifestyle factors by giving health education, increasing the physical activity, decreasing the unhealthy eating habits, modifying stress. In this, the stress management was provided, which involves teaching indirectly about theories of stress, encourage them to be aware of the factors that can trigger stress, range of strategies to reduce stress, relaxation and general life management approach, which includes time management, problem solving. The role of psychology is quite important in each and every domain. This whole explanation of role of psychology in CHD suggests that all illnesses is not only because of biomedical problems but are a complex interplay of physiological and psychological factors. Of heart disease, number 1 is role of delay. The more the treatment is delayed, the more are the chances of death. It includes the initial treatment, cardiac rehabilitation, which is the active and progressive process by which individuals with heart disease attain the optimal physical, medical, psychological, social, emotional, vocational and economic status. The medication is also important. For example, the clot dissolving drugs are given to the patient. Angioplasty is done. If the arteries are blocked, then bypass surgery is done. Statins are another drugs that targets the LDL cholesterol, which is the main reason of cardiac arrest. Stress management is provided to the heart patients. Diet is controlled and activity level is increased or controlled. The answer to the first question is heart attack, B part. Myocardial infarction is also known as MI or heart attack. The answer to the second question is angina pectoris, first part. Angina pectoris is a powerful pain in the chest. The answer to the third question is D part, both B and C. Ischemic heart disease is caused due to the narrowing down or blocking of the coronary arteries. Answer to the fourth question is B part. Age, hereditary and sex is not under our control, which cannot be modified, while other options like medicine use, smoking, etc. could be modified or could be controlled.